guys, to Diamond World once again. Today we'll be looking at these questions. Now, I will show you guys how to solve these questions in the normal and proper way. The last tutorial we had, I will show you guys tricks on how to solve things like this. But today, I'll be showing you guys how to solve it theoretically. That was in a CBT exam so that you can get your answer as fast as possible. But this one, I'll be showing you guys how to solve it step by step. But with this step by step, I'll show you guys how to solve it very, very fast. Number one, you are given that we should find the y, the x, if y equal to s squared. And what are they asking us to do over here is to make use of the first principle. Make use of the first principle. And that will be y plus change in y equal to x plus change in x all squared. Y plus change in y equal to x squared plus 2x the x plus x the x squared. You transfer this to the other side, you have plus the x equal to x squared plus 2x the x plus change in x squared minus y. And what is our y initially? Our y initially, it is s squared. So s squared can cancel s squared. So we have the x equal to change in x equal to y 2x change in x plus change in x squared. Now there is something that is common. Let's bring it out. Change in x equal to into bracket 2x plus change in x. So let's divide it by change in x. So we have change in y over change in x equal to 2x plus change in x. Now from here, limits change in x equal to 0. dy dx. Change in y, change in x, sorry. Limits change in x to 0, 2x plus change in x. Now, if you should write 0 over here, everything should give us 0. And it is impossible to have 0, so it becomes dy dx equal to 2x plus 0. dy dx is equal to 2x. Can you see? Very fast and easy. So we now number 2 says 3s squared minus 1 s squared plus 2. Now looking at this question, this should be under what rule? This is a product rule. So with this, I will be looking at all the product questions under this and I will do everything together at once. Now, looking at this, the first thing to do is to recall our formula for product rule. The y dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Now, this is our u and this is our v. We are asked to write your u is equal to 3x squared minus 1. The u dx will give us 6x and our v is equal to x squared plus 2. The v dx will give us 2x. Now let's go back here. What is our v? 3x squared minus 1. And this is our du times 2x plus, what is our v? S squared plus 2. And these are 6x. Open the brackets, you have 6s cubed plus minus 2x plus 6x cube plus 12x. Now you add it together if there is anyone to be added or anyone that can be added. You have 6, now give us 12x cube. This plus this will give us plus 10s. Can we see? Now let's look at the other one we have again. We also have 1 over here. Number 4. X squared minus 1, 2x minus 7. This is our u and this is our v. Our formula still follow this. U equal to x squared minus 1 du dx is equal to 2x. Our v is 2x minus 7. Our dv du dx is equal to 2. Now you write down your x squared minus 1 times this 2 plus your v 2x minus 7 bracket it and put times 2x. Open your bracket, I have 2x squared minus 2 plus 4x squared minus 14x. When I sum everything together, I'll be having 6x squared minus 14x minus 2. This is my answer. Can you see? Even in the theoretical way, I was able to do it very fast. Now let's go to the next question. I think we have, and that is y equal to 3x plus 5 all raised to power 3. 3x squared all raised to power 3. Now, one of the ways to do this is what? Is a chain rule. Chain rule. If we are to multiply, continue to open brackets, it will take a long time. But for us to do it very fast and easy, my answer should just be 9 into bracket 3x squared raised to power minus 2. But because I want to show you guys how I got that, now let's see. This is u. Our formula here is the y over du times the x over du. Abi? So this is my u. So u equal to 3x plus 5 du over the x. Du over the x, is equal to 3. So my y equal to u now raised to power 3. My dy du equal to 3 raised to power 2. Then I'll go to my formula. I will be having du over the x is what? This 3u squared times du over the x. My du over the x is 3. This times this will just be 9u squared. But initially, u is not inside the question. We inputted u ourselves. So we'll say, what is our u initially? 9 into brackets 3x plus 5 all raised to power 2. I believe with this, you can be able to solve any chain rule question you see. Any chain rule question. Let me just give us another one. It is not part of this question I've stated out. Let me just give us another one. Let's look at 5x squared plus 1 all raised to power 4. 5x squared plus 1 all raised to power 4. Let's look at this the same way. We say this is our u plus 1. Your du dx is equal to 10x. My du dx will become what? 10x. Now my y equal to u raised to power 4. My du dy du equals to 4u raised to power 3. Now I will go to my formula. I will be having dy du, which is 4u3 times 10x. This time this will give me 40x u raised to power 3. What is my u initially? My u initially is 5x squared plus 1 all raised to power what? All raised to power 3. With this, you can be able to solve any question on that sheet using the direct formula. And if you are just coming on my YouTube channel, I've talked about shortcuts on how to do this. You can just scroll and check for my shortcuts. Now we move down to this one. Is called quotient. 2x squared minus x plus 1 over 3x squared minus 5. Now I'm showing us how to solve this properly without the shortcuts, the normal way. Now we have okay, let me first put out the formula for so that we won't get confused on what I'm doing. The formula is v du over the x minus u dv over the x all over v squared. Now this is our u and this is our v. Now I'll first bring out my u equal to 2x squared minus x plus 1. The u dx will give me what? 4x minus 1. Then my v is equal to 3x squared minus 5. My dv dx will give me what? 6x. Now I move down to this place fast. Okay, now we have my v initially is what? This 3x squared minus 5 into brackets this 4x minus 1 minus my u is into brackets square minus x plus 1 with the dv du 6x all over 3x squared minus 5 all raised to the power of 2. 12x cubed minus 3x squared minus 20x plus 5 minus into brackets 12s cubed minus 6s squared plus 6x all divided by 3s squared minus 5 all squared. 12s cubed minus 3s squared minus 20x plus 5 minus 20 minus 12s cubed minus 6s squared minus plus 6x all over 3s squared minus 5 all squared. This can cancel this. Now we have minus 9s squared. This and this together will give me minus 14x plus 5 all over 3s squared minus 5 all raised to the power of 2. Now we're done. This is how to solve this in the normal way. Now we'll be looking at integrational questions. Integration questions, rather. So I'll be showing you how to solve up to like 4 integration. Integral x into bracket x plus 1 raised to the power 2 dx. Now this you can decide to do it in different way, but let me show you one of the ways that is the easiest way. We'll just expand this. You have integral s squared plus x. So sorry, that will be integral s squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. So just integrate immediately. Integrate this, you have 3 over 3. Integrate this, you have 2x squared over 2. Integrate this, you have x plus c. This can break this down, so you have square plus x plus c, and that is your answer. Can we see? Very fast. Let's look at this also. We have 2x squared, 2x cubed rather, plus 5x squared minus 1 dx. Let's look at how to do this. Integrating this, you have 2x, integrate this, you have 4 over 4, plus integrate this, you have 5 raised to the power 3 over 3. Integrate 1, you have x plus c. This can go here. I have x over 4 raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 2, plus 5x raised to the power 3 over 3 minus x plus c. And we see very fast and done. So we're looking at 2 more questions. We have integral x raised to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power 2 plus 3 all over x squared dx. Now to integrate this, separate it. Separate it. Now integrate it one after the other. When this one bring this one down, this one can bring this one down, but this one will not bring itself down. So we have integral s squared minus 2 integral dx plus integral 3 s minus 2 dx. Now from here I have, if I should integrate this, I'll be having s raised to the power 3 over 3 minus 2x minus plus 3x minus 1 over minus 1. So I'll be having s raised to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 2x minus 3 over x. Now this is plus c. Don't forget to put your plus c or k or c, anyone. Now we are done with this. Now let's look at now this is the last question. I want you guys to try this yourself and show me in the comment section how you get it, and I will do the correction in our next coming tutorial, where we'll go into differentiation and integration in another new dimension. And if you're just coming to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button so that it can be referred to others whenever they need it. Thank you. God bless you.